Hey guys, Katie here with another AFI DIY. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make a dishwashing detergent tablet. Not only will it work wonders on your dishes, but it also smells amazing. It'd be a very practical product to add to your line. Let's get into it. For supplies, you'll need silicone molds. Make sure they're small enough to fit in the dishwasher compartment. A jar for storage, gloves, mixing bowl, and a whisk. To make 24 tablets, you'll need the following ingredients: 15.3% or 1/2 cup of vinegar, 30.7% or 1 cup of washing soda, 7.7% or 1/4 cup baking soda, 30.7% or 1/2 cup borax, 15.3% or 1/2 cup Epsom salt, and lastly 0.2% or 20 drops of fragrance. For today's fragrance, we'll be using Lemongrass. It is a very clean and refreshing fragrance. There's an endless amount of options here at AFI, so head over to our website and check them out. Let's get started. It's a really easy product to make. Just combine all of your dry ingredients into a bowl. Mix it thoroughly. We recommend a whisk, getting all the chunks mixed up. Time for the fragrance. Add your fragrance and mix well. Now very slowly add your vinegar a little at a time. Don't worry if it bubbles, this is normal. The mixture should clump up like this and hold well when you squeeze it. You can also add a little more vinegar if your mixture is too dry. When this is accomplished, you can transfer it into your molds. Press firmly into your molds. We recommend using a spatula to scrape off the excess product for a smooth finish. Now let it harden for 24 hours. When they're done, they'll look like this. Make sure to store them in an airtight container. If you like this product, be sure to check out our DIY on dishwashing soap. We paid less than $1 to make this product. It can wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $5 to $6. Thanks for watching another episode of AFI's DIYs. I hope you enjoyed this fun and easy product just as much as I did. Make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date with more of our videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!